Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your signal lights on a Ford F-150 2018. Let's get started. We're going to start by getting access to the lights and make sure that your tires are turned deep left so that you can get in here. You need to remove this cover, which I already kind of pre-removed it, and you need to unscrew it. You're going to need a 5.5 wrench to remove the screws that are here located throughout the edge of the panels. We'll be able to reach in and change our lights. But before I even get started there, guys, I'm gonna need some gloves. And pull out your light bulb. You're gonna want to press with a little bit of pressure right here, and you should hear a snap, and boom, you're out. When you remove your bulb, you do this, make sure it's the actual bulb, and you pull it, and there you go, look at that. Now we're gonna replace it with AUXITO lights. All right, guys, so here it is. This is what it looks like when they're not connected yet. Beautiful design. We got our amber white 7443 that we're gonna switch to AUXITO. And I went ahead and just removed the thing, have it do it outside of the car. Snaps right in, make sure it's nice and tight. All right, now we're ready to put in this part, connect it right in. Wait for the snap. There, looks nice and tight. And then we go ahead and just adjust it right in. Twist to the right, there it is. She's nice and tight, ready to go. Make sure you tighten back your panels, screw everything back up, and ready to hit the road. Thanks for watching, have a great day.
Drive smarter, shine brighter, choose AUXITO.